Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP ka Lok Sabha u Saleng sangma ulaong bakasing Congress ka Pdiang Wanphai ka Wanphai Pdiang u zanit sangma ka party namar wat ukpa bat ki Ïing hasem jong Khun Sarong Awria ru ki Pdiang biang u kumta ka Congress ru ka habban Pdiang namar ba u zanit u de ubreu u babha bat ukwa ban nei ka babha nak mata ki breu jong u nakada kadaw ka party ka Pdiang biang u Saleng ula pensriam u zanit kum Khun Sarong Awria da ka baong bu la snothu ila ka jong ka ching bakla nakada kadaw ula Wanphai pan habakli la ka Congress kan kieu na ka jingwan sno biang u zanit ha ka seng u Saleng ula ong baka Congress kan kutno handai kanang yai kieu hakipor ban sawan ru habakli ha ka bede bat ka election ha GHADC ula ong baka Congress ka don borobor ha ka mensiam jong hi pat ba handai ka badan kam kalong ban jiat u kertong babiang bat ya ka jaka ka babiang na ka bitaban penyeng ya uta u kertong u Saleng ula ong balada kitu ki balami ino na ka seng ki kwa ban Wanphai pan ka seng kanai Pdiang yaki handai ula ong biang baka seng kam kwa ban walam biang ya baro sya ka seng namar ba ki don na Pdiang jongki ki babha ba don ru na Pdiang jongki ki bombha habakali la ka seng ka Pdiang ne em u Dr Mukul sangma la da Wanphai biang sya ka Congress u Saleng ula ong ba u Dr Mukul ula krenshai ba un Wanphai shu da lele sya ka Congress hakipor ban sawan ru.
After all, it will not only boost the party, it will boost the society, and then moreover, it will give confidence to the, give a confidence to the people from the Meghalaya and then the party as well.
Many state that this is a paving way for Dr.
How many of you know
Dr.
the second
Mukul
person who touched?
I don't want to speak on his behalf because he himself has already said bluntly that he will never join the Congress party even in the future also. So we welcome everyone's decision.
Well, do you see that now Congress is, because you are already MP there, and with Zenith joining, do you see Congress will grow in Garo Hills?
Let me tell you, I am the MP from the Meghalaya. You see, there was the MP from the Meghalaya from the Congress before also. P.A. Sangma was MP from the Congress. You know, everyone was MP from the, even P.A. Sangma was also the Chief Minister from the Congress. So Congress will never end, as I have told you, Congress will always grow, it will ever grow. So.
Are you planning to organize Congress party better in Garo Hills now with the GHADC election around the corner?
Congress is always in their heart, with the people's heart. So only thing is that we have to give a right candidature in the right, in the right area, like a good placement.
What's your message to those others like George and all those who have left earlier? What is your message to them?
We welcome them if they want to come back because you see, God has given us a free will, so you cannot judge on that. Sometimes that's why there is a devil actually. So devil is always behind to tempt them. Okay, that's why they have a free will. If they want to come back, they are, we welcome them. Now even our Madam Deborah, she has been working really hard, and because of her also, Sir Janit and his team has already rejoined with us.
Even you, because
yeah,
of
even
me.
yeah, everybody.
So you look at the GHADC elections, do you think of it?
It's about the people. If the people realizes that our sixth schedule is going to be scrapped this and that way, or maybe it's going to be deduced into some kind of pulling out the power from the sixth schedule. So all kinds of things are there. So that's why it's the people's choice. We just cannot command or direct the people to vote for the Congress. If the people think is right, if they think that they need a changes, then they might give back to the Congress.
Okay. What is your plan now for Congress party in Garo Hills, particularly because election is there in Garo Hills?
We plan good for the people. If the people wants to accept it, let them. It's their choice. We will try to do the best because you see, one time Congress might be in the ruling, but that time the leaders were the same. You got my point. When the Congress was there, P.A. Sangma was there, Dr. Mukul was there. But since there is no more P.A. Sangma and then other leaders, we are here with even in the old bottle also we have got a new water,
so
new wine.
So will you try to bring back the old those who have left Congress?
It's not me actually. We will see because we will not bring them back all, because all of them might not be good. Some of them might be good. Okay, we might bring them some of them. It's not necessary that all the TMC MLAs should come. You got my point? It's not necessary. So we have to look at and then take the view from the people whom they like. So let the people. It should be the people's choice. We just don't want to bring them everybody back, either from the NPP or from the NCP or from anybody, or from any TMC like that. So.
Do you see this government today joining? You see the resurgence of the Congress, Meghalaya?
You see, Congress is there always there. But you see, it's not the it's not the leader. I mean, it's not the Congress is always there with the people itself. Okay, but when the wrong candidature has been given in the area where they wanted, definitely people defected from that particular area. So Congress has not been out. Congress is always there, and Congress will be there.
Yeah, awards to Mughal Sangma joining.
I think he himself has bluntly spoke about the not joining the Congress. I think you might have heard. I think you all have already written that particular stance where he stood, that he will never be joining Congress even in the future also, right? Do I have to remind you that one? No, no? So, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Prodigal son has come back. I think not the father. Yes, tell me.
When Zenit left, he left because of pushing.
No, you see, like for example, you see That's why I related to that particular prodigal son. Na? Now he has realized, so he has come back. He has redeemed himself. So there's even the father, the parents, the family has accepted the prodigal son. Why can't we? He is a good man, so he wants to do something good for the people. That's why we accepted him. Party has accepted him. High command has accepted him. That's why we are working on that one. He has himself has spoken, right? So I need not have to clarify that one. Anything?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. God bless you all. Look.